Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is Analyst. Today we are going to see one of the advanced and tricky level question which is asked from Stripe interview. The title of the question is repeated payments. What they're asking is identify any payment made at the same merchant with the same credit card for the same amount within the 10 minutes of each other. What we need to do is we need to give the count of such repeated patients, which means, for example, we might definitely end up with situation, right? For example, we have sent the amount to the particular merchant. If you're going to a tea shop or else whatever the shop might be, dress shop, we are making a payment of some amount. There is a possibility it might get cancelled, or else we can also do the same amount of transaction to buy the same product. Okay, at the time they are tracking, it should be in the same card or else same credit card, debit card, whatever it is, same card, as well as it should be in a same merchant ID, as well as it should be in a same amount, and also the transaction should be done within the 10 minutes of interval. That's what they're expecting. Okay, for this I have done a backend code to create such kind of database for a certain rows, right? For that I have created a payment ID. It should be in a primary key auto increment, credit card number, as usual. If you guys want to reduce the number, please do it yourself, and merchant ID, amount, and finally I'm giving timestamp. For populating these values, what I'm done is I'm just automating these process for 100 rows. I'm just concatenating the number 4 with the random of 10 to 1 with a multiplication of this 1 lakh, which mimics the credit card number. I'm adding 4 to show the value of credit card, which is like a Visa card. Okay, after that I'm generating a merchant ID which should be from 1 to 10. To avoid huge number of random number, I'm just reducing the size of 1 to 10, and as well as the amount should be between 10 and 30. Okay, and as well as the timestamp, I'm saying the timestamp should be in the interval of these values. Okay, it should be like from 2024 1 of 1, and the timing should be like from this time to plus of 50 minutes. That's where it arounds. Okay, it should be clustered around midnight of the particular day. Okay guys, this is the code. Let's see how the data looks like based on these values. I've already run the code. Okay, this is the output we got from the table. Okay, right now you can see everything was jumbled. Credit card, merchant ID, amount, everything was jumbled. Maybe what we can do is we can make them in an ordered way so that we can able to see the data in a more structured format. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select all from payments ordered by record number, payment timestamp need to be copied. Okay, I'm going to run this. Right now you can see it was ordered. Maybe what we can do is we can also order them by amount. Okay, right now in this scenario we can see everything, whatever the data you are seeing, it was randomly generated by the machine. And right now you can see it was 77, same merchant and same credit card number, but the amount was different. So what we can do is we can just consider these values. Everything was same right over here. So our output should be based on these values. If the transaction between these rows, if lesser than 10, we need to consider this one. That is our main focus. Okay guys, let's see how we are going to do this. For that I'm going to create another extra column which is like minute. I'm extracting a minute from timestamp. as minutes. Okay, okay, for by this I can able to see at what, at which minute, like midnight of 19th minute, likewise I can able to extract. After that I'm going to use window function from our MySQL. Rank over partition by all these things, credit card number, merchant ID, and amount. It should be ranked as this one, and order by payment timestamp. The thing is, we need the categories to be right. We need to partition them using these three columns alone. So that's why I'm using that partition by for these three. And finally, I'm giving a alias as a rank. Let's see how the output looks like. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, we got a rank. For likewise, we have already said, right? For the repeated value, we got a rank of 2. This is what we are expected. And similar to that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same window function but different option. I'm going to use lag. Lag, or at the time, what we need is, we need a lag of minutes. I need the minute value should present in that lag of minutes, and for that, same thing, over partition by everything as it is. The only thing is I'm using lag. Okay, let's run this. Yeah, in this scenario, what we have is 14 of 14. We need the previous time, right? 28 should come right over here. By that only we can able to minus the particular row. This is what we exactly needed. Yeah, similar to that, we can just go down and see what we got. Yeah, exactly what we need. Yes, after that, we are going to do the minus process. Okay, further what I'm going to do is, I'm going to convert this particular uh, table into a CT, common table expression. It was very useful to create a temporary table. Whenever we want, we can use that by calling the CT itself. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this value after this, minus, because I'm going to we need the minus value less than 10, right? That's the reason I'm using this one. And finally, make it as difference. Okay, and the order by should be same. Everything is the same, just a order change of number of rows. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to select count of merchant ID. You can give anything, any column you can do, like credit card ID. Likewise, you can do anything as count from payments, where the difference should be lesser than or equal to 10. That's where we can confirm, okay, these guys have made a transaction within 10 minutes. Okay, let's run this. Okay, something happened. Yes guys, we got a correct output. Okay guys, if you guys like this, means if you guys want this code, please use this code. I'm going to give this in the description box below. Okay guys, let's see you in the next challenge. Bye bye.